Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your wallet address on Zengo. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Here's how you'll be able to view your wallet address on Zengo. Tap open your Zengo application from your app drawer and make sure you're logged into it. Once you're logged in, if you'd like to transfer your coins to another wallet, then you'll need to know your wallet address. All you need to do, simply go ahead and tap on the Actions tab at the bottom. Now, from this page, go and tap on the Receive button. Once you do that, go and select any one coin and you'll be able to see your wallet address for the particular coin. You can share your address with your friends if you'd like to receive Bitcoins or any other cryptos from your Zengo wallet. You can also copy the address and send it to your friends. You can also see your address QR code in the display. You can now enter the address in a different wallet or exchange to send your crypto to your Zengo wallet and much more. That is how you'll be able to find your wallet address on Zengo. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.